Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how to replace your coil packs on your 2012 Toyota Camry. So the coil packs are located under this cover. This cover you just pop up, pop it off. It's just got these grommets that are holding it down on these pins here. And then we've got 4 coil packs here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so to replace them, you need a number 10 millimeter socket to undo here, and some electrical clips you need to undo to be able to replace them. Right. So, got our number 10 bolts to be removed. Then you got to undo the clips. Just squeeze and pull them apart, and then just pull the coil pack out and remove it, and then get your new one and be able to put it back in. This is just Toyota Denso, and you do that the 4 times. Or if you were just going to go ahead and replace one because you have one going bad, you would just do it the 1 time. And you can tell a lot of times with a code reader scanner if it'll say misfire on whatever cylinder. Generally it goes by the timing belt. Your chain is on this side timing belt. And so it would be cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's the order it would go in. And so you would know if this one was going bad, you can just replace this one if you needed to. So once you got those all loosened up, you just pull them out. And then when you go to replace them, you just put your coil packs in, just drop them in, do it again all the 4 times. And this coil pack here, this top hole cylinder, that is what hits the top of the spark plug to give it the spark. This makes the spark right here on top of the cylinders instead of doing through a distributor and other things. So you just snug them into place, hook all the electrical connectors back up, and then you would put the cover back on. And that's how you would change your coil packs on your 2012 2.5 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.